star of Twilight, the movie with your twofers? Look at my twofers. Look at my twofers. Perfectly straight white twofers.
Are you and Edward gonna have a love affair?
Sully. I think you need to star in the next movie, Twilight, starring Sully the Vampire Pup. Ha 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 ha. She even lies still during the day on her back, looking like a bat instead of a pup, to fool her victims. Ha 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 ha. Sully, the vampire pup dog killer. Ha ha.